Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you AquaFutures review. Is it worth it? AquaFutures is a Dubai-based proprietary trading firm specializing in future contracts like S&P 500, Nasdaq, gold, and crude oil, giving traders access to live capital without risking personal funds. The firm enforces clear rules such as profit caps at 40% for valuation accounts and 20% for instant accounts, while disallowing high frequency bots, manipulative orders, and extreme scalping. Profit splits are generous. Traders keep 100% of the first $15,000 and 90% after, with payouts processed weekly or bi weekly depending on account type, and a minimum of $250 to $500. Withdrawals are quick, within 48 hours, with a flat $35 monthly processing fee. In 2025, AquaFutures stands out for its transparency, multiple funding paths, and trader-first approach, making it ideal for disciplined future traders who value consistency, while less suited for fully automated or overly aggressive strategies. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.